wonderful students in Key Stage 3, talking about Year 7, Isaac Newton. How are you all? I hope you're all doing well. Wow, I'm doing well too. Thank you for asking. All right, you're welcome to this session, this online learning with Teacher John, talking about Agric 108, Agric Made Easy. Are we good to go? Good. Grab your pen, grab your exercise book, and then open your minds, open your hearts as we learn this Agric this day. Okay? Good. I want us to think about this. Put on your thinking caps and read this. Let's go. Can you read it? Yes. Where do you think that all agricultural activities take place? All the agricultural activities, where do you think that they normally take place? Okay, farm. Yes, I'm listening to you. Yes means Victor, Kota, Ibrahim, Habiba, Nasirul, Labaran. Yes, Larry. Yes, Gia, Janet. Yes, Aisha, Maria, Museba. Yes, I'm listening to you all. Okay. Alright, you've all tried. Now, look at this. Look at this picture here. These are farm implements. It's a harvester. Yes, it's harvesting. It's working on the farm, as you can see. Good. Where on the farm do you think that these activities taking place? Where? On this farm, where do you think it is actually taking place? Where do you think that this machine is moving on? Good land! That will bring us to, can we read the topic? Good. Factors of agricultural production. Talking about land. Can we all mention this? This is land. This is land. Good. So that agricultural activity, the harvesting, was taking place on the land in the farm. Okay? All right. So, what is land? Can we all read? Let's go. Yes, land is where productive activities such as cultivation of crops, rearing of animals, and establishment of farmstead are carried out. All productive activities, every production is being carried on land. Every productive activity, such as the cultivation of crop, rearing of animals, establishment of farmstead. The farmstead here is the farm structures, the structures you have in your farm, which could be structures for milking of animals, structures for the farmers to rest when it is raining, and all that. All these structures and all other things, cultivation of crops, rearing of animals, are all carried out on the land. They are not carried out on the air, no, but on the land. Did you get that? Good, let's go. Characteristics of land. Okay. Some things that distinguish land from other things, that make land to be different from other factors of production. Okay. Examples are, number one, good, land is a factor of production. Without land, production such as the cultivation of crops, rearing of animals, establishment of farmstead will not be possible because they cannot be produced or carried out, constructed on air. Okay? Number two, good, land is a free gift of nature. Nature gives man land naturally. That is why from the onset of agriculture, man was wandering, eating fruits, gathering the seeds on land. Man came into existence and met land. Okay, so land is a free gift of nature. Is that taken? Number three, good, land is immobile because it is a fixed factor. Okay, good, you cannot move land. from one place to another. You cannot pick the land from your village to the city because the land in your village is more fertile than the one you have in the city, or you pick the land you have now in the city and take to your village because the one you have in the city is more fertile than the one in your village. It's not possible because land is immobile. Good. Number 4. The reward for land is rent. So what you get in land as a reward is called rent. It's called what? Rent. Good. Is that taken? Alright. Importance of land in agricultural enterprise. We are going to look at the ways that land is beneficial or important in agriculture, in everything that has to do with agriculture. Number 1, caliper, pay attention, for planting of food crops such as rice, maize, yam, and so on. Other food crops are there. Potato, other food crops are there. Yes, tomatoes and all that. Okay? Number 2. Good for planting of cash crops such as, can you mention them? Cocoa, rubber, oil palm, and so on and so forth. Okay? Number 3. It is used for rearing animals. Good. All these are the ways in which land is used in agricultural enterprise. Are we following? Udo and the rest. Okay, let's go. Now, we also have non-agricultural uses of land. As land is beneficial to agriculture, there are other ways that land is also being put into use, but not in the agricultural way. That is the non-agricultural uses of land. And what are those? Number 1, good, it is used for building houses. So whenever land is used for building houses, whenever you build house on land, your residential homes, then it is not for agricultural use or purpose. Like the house you're living in now, that house is built on land, right? Good. Is it meant for agriculture? No, of course. Good. Number 2. Good. It can be used for social or recreational purposes, such as stadia, building of stadia, where you go to watch matches or where people play football, where football players play football. Schools, where you go to learn, it's not for agricultural purpose. Okay, markets, where you go to buy things, you go to buy things and also sell things. Good, it's not for agricultural purpose. Parks, not for agricultural purpose. Cemeteries, not for agricultural purpose as well, and so on. Okay, good. Number 3, can we read it? Good. Land is used for construction purposes. And what are those purposes? For road construction, for bridges, bridge construction, for airports or airport construction, and so on. So whenever land is used for road construction, for bridges, for airports, no, it's not for agricultural purpose, okay? Okay, thank you very much. Wow. You are all very, very attentive this morning. I urge you to continue to be attentive, okay? Shotgun. Wow. Shotgun. Haha. Let's be snappy about this. Let's be snappy about this, okay? Let's make this snappy. In the next 1 minute, I want us all to put our thinking caps on and proper solution to this. And what is it? Read it. Good. How can land be beneficial to man and the nation agriculturally? Think and get this done in the next 1 minute. And while you are through with that, this is an assignment. And what is the assignment? Can we all read it? Good. The reward for land is rent. Yes, you saw it. We discussed it. So what other 3 features of land can you think of and put forward? So do that now. And then when you're done with that, you send your answers to this email. Send the answer to the for the shotgun, the answer for the assignment. Send all to this email to Teacher Jan. Teacher Jan will get all of them, and then he will get them marked for you. Is that okay? And don't forget to take your notes. Copy your notes from the beginning to the end, because when you resume, of course, you're going to submit the note and the written assignment and the shotgun to Teacher Jan again. Teacher Jan is going to see them all and is going to mark them for you. Is that okay? Thank you all for being wonderful. Continue to be wonderful. Continue to open your heart and your mind to learn properly, okay? Despite the lockdown, despite the distance, learning is going on. So continue to learn. Teacher Jan and NETN Science School. Love you all. So long.